Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ritika. I'm a content creator. I create content around skincare, makeup and curly hair and sometimes about menstrual cups. And today I'm going to be talking to you about some new lipstick launches, not like new-ish lipstick launches, but also lipsticks that I've been really enjoying. So there are just a few here, so this is not going to be like a super long video. If you're interested in a lot of makeup content, then I recommend that you check out my Instagram, which is at the Hedge Rose, because that is where I create a lot of the makeup content. I don't focus too much on YouTube when it comes to makeup because I don't know why actually. But if you're interested in vlogs and stuff, I've been doing a lot of that on YouTube, so you can check it out. I actually don't like this lipstick. Why am I like with this outfit? I don't like this. I'm just gonna quickly, I don't know if that did anything, but I'm feeling a gloss right now, so whew. So the first one is by Disguise Cosmetics. I've actually already spoken about this on YouTube as well as on Instagram. I absolutely love these liquid lipsticks. I think they're the best liquid lipsticks out there, and that's saying something because I have a lot of lipsticks, and liquid lipsticks is like one of the is a category that I feel like I don't gravitate towards too much, especially because it dries out your lips so much. But this does not dry you out one bit. The formula is top notch. It is just, I think it's the best liquid lipstick out there. I really want to get more shades. If there's a new shade that I feel like I don't have, I will definitely get it. I have the shades Naughty Magenta and Fabulous Espresso. I love both of them. They apply so beautifully. It doesn't patch up, it doesn't bunch up on your lip. That's something a lot of like whipped liquid lipsticks tend to do, but this so good. I have really dry lips. I do recommend moisturizing it really well and exfoliating really well before you go in with this, or with any liquid lipstick for that matter, but it is just so good. The next one that I have is a newer launch. This is by the brand Sharisa, and I tried it out and I really love the texture and the formula. Now the Disguise Cosmetics one is a little bit more thinner and it's very easy to apply. It's pretty forgiving, so if you do like make a mistake, you can quickly just correct it because it is very watery, but once it dries. This one has more of a whipped texture and it is a little bit more tough to work with if you have never tried a liquid lipstick, but it's not like super hard. Like once you get the hang of it, it is great to use. I have Sinfully Sober and Blissfully Lost. I feel like I'm lost right now. What am I doing? I really like the shade. It almost looks like a maroon, and I don't know, it just looks so flattering. I think this sort of a shade will be beautiful for all skin tones, especially because it is more a warmer and it's not like a cool toned red, and it doesn't budge or transfer at all. I loved the package and the presentation. I think like the glass tube and everything is just so beautiful. And this color, okay, I need a lipstick in this color, you guys. This is like a beautiful brownish purple red. This is the Chambord Brune Jungle. This is a really nice brown, so I topped it off like with a little bit of the brown on the outside, and it looks so good. It's such a perfect nude lip combo. I will definitely wear it with this lipstick. These two together are great, but on its own it's a little bit too like. I have Ruby's Organics. I have been wearing this non-stop. I didn't expect to like it as much as I do right now. This was sent to me by Kind Life, so you can get, actually I have codes with a lot of these brands, so please go check it out. All of the links are in the description, and the codes are in the description, so yeah, please be sure to check it out because you can get all of them at a discount. And I was so shocked about this like package because if you click it, you get the lipstick out and it says Ruby's Organics here. You open it and then you have your lipstick here. This is the shade Lipstick Berry, and this on its own, sometimes it can like wash me out. It's like not like as deep as I would like for it to be, but it's a great nude lipstick. And this topped with the Gloss Becoming is ow, why did I do that? This with the Gloss Becoming is just like the perfect combo because this has a little bit of like the brown, bronzy, gold flecks in it. It's like match made in heaven. It's just so beautiful looking, but even on its own it works really well. I also like using it as a blush. This is a matte lipstick, by the way, and it has the kind of formula that is like the Nykaa So Matte lipstick, but just a little bit more matte. The Nykaa So Matte lipsticks are actually not that matte. They're very like semi-matte. Whereas this is real matte, but it doesn't like feel irritating or like tight on your lips. The last brand is Anor, and they also sent me this. This is the lip and cheek tint from Anor, and I got the shades Raspberry Pink and Mocha Nude. Mocha Nude is almost the same shade as the Fenty Cheeks Out Rose Latte blush. So if you are looking for a dupe, you need to get this, okay? And this is like what, more than half the price. Like, this is literally so good. I have been wearing this non-stop. Even when I don't wear makeup, I just like, whenever I'm in this room, I'll just go on. Such a nice formula, and you get a lot of product, you guys. Like, this is a lot of product. Usually like lip tints come in a very tiny tub, but this is a lot of product, and you will never, I mean, I have been using this quite a bit and I've barely made a dent. And this is my favorite shade out of the two. This is Mocha Nude, but I mean, are we surprised? But the shade Raspberry Pink is a really nice blush shade for any skin tone, because it is like a bright pink, but it's not as bright on your face, so you can really like blend and blur it, and it looks really beautiful. Thumbs up for these as well. Really well done, well made, and it has really nice ingredients. Very affordable as well, and I really like the package. It has like a crayony smell. Does that make sense? Like, it smells like crayons. It doesn't really bother me because it doesn't like smell like that on your lips or your cheeks. Like, if you're looking for it to like be like a lipstick, it's not going to look like that. It is a very subtle hint of color, and the more you add it, the more it does add, but you're not going to get a lot from it on your lips. But especially if you have like pigmented lips like I do, it's not going to cover it up or anything. And for every day, I feel like a lot of people will enjoy, you know, wearing a lip and cheek tint, you know, one and done product. Like, you put it on your face, you put it on your lips, and you're done. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any new finds, any new lipstick finds. Maybe if you want me to try something, maybe I can try it. Let me know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell for more such videos and vlogs. And don't forget to check out my Instagram. Like I said, that's where everything goes. My life is updated there, so go check it out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.